Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so your first actions work immediately. Sign in, verify your email, and enable 2FA for secure access. This prevents later lockouts. Once done, install the Steadfast Courier app version 3, 2 or newer on the device you'll use. Make sure to copy or generate your API key, set the service region, and choose a default sender ID. These values underpin routing and billing. Now open the app and proceed to connect a test recipient so you can send the initial message. Now you configure the delivery flow to control how messages travel. Define routes, priority, and fallback, then set retry delays in seconds. This ensures messages reach recipients even if one channel fails. Next, map your message templates to channels like SMS, email, and push, and use variable placeholders for personalization. This reduces manual edits. Then set rate limits and concurrency to match your plan, and register webhooks for status events, so you can react to bounces, deliveries, and finish by validating with staged tests. Sandbox first, then a limited production batch, and finally full rollout once metrics look healthy. During deployment, monitor logs for delivery status and latency P95, and watch error codes to spot systemic issues. If something goes wrong, inspect your API key and region settings and check for throttling headers or rate limit responses. These are common causes. Finally, make small configuration tweaks. Rerun the limited batch, and only scale when success rates exceed your acceptance threshold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.